Hi guys, it's me again, Kelly from BestPrice Travel. Accompanying me on this trip is my little sister and cameraman Janet. Hi! Today we'll explore a luxury yacht named Mekong Princess Cruise in a 3-day 2-night voyage from Ho Chi Minh City to Can Tho. Let's go! Now I'm at Saigon Port at the number 5 Winter Tank Street, District 4, to meet my tour guide and find location. For those who need to pick up at your hotel, please give your consultant your hotel name with address and be ready at around 10 to 11 a.m. at your hotel to wait for shuttle service.
And we will be transferred by an electric car from port to match our Mekong Princess Cruise. Once aboard, you will be welcomed with a wet towel to wipe your sweat and a glass of lemonade.
Good morning, welcome on board. We have two persons, one from Vietnam, Mr. Quan, and Mr. Rata from Cambodia side. Akon Salam, thank you. Stayed by our crew to put them on, but they're very easy, except that once you have them, you cannot move anymore. It's very difficult because they're pretty big.
Lunch with highly attentive Oriental hospitality will be served soon after departure in the Indochine restaurant as we cruise along the Saigon River. The Indochine restaurant is intimate and sitting up to 30 guests. It serves combined buffet-style services with a la carte dining. The cruise manager said that Viet Princess Cruise Hospitality Director is originally from Europe, and the onboard head chef considers Cambodia as home. All hospitality service crew are Khmer and speak English fluently.
Here is our room, Saigon Suite. As a Vietnamese, I was favorably arranged to stay in this room. It is also a plus point for this cruise because of its sophistication.
Located on the main deck, it is spacious with the area of 24 square meters. Saigon Suite offers a more comfortable and airy space. The room is mainly designed with luxurious white tones, a few dots from gold color and deep red to bring a classic Oriental feeling.
Let's see what we have in our bathroom. Go!
A luxurious marble bath, glass rain shower. It seems a lot bigger and airy than I thought. It is a perfect choice for the most enjoyable journey to explore the Mekong River. It's time to relax and take a nap. We sail at midday through Saigon River, Suoi Rap River, Nước Mặn Canal, Vam Cỏ River, and Chợ Gạo Canal to the mighty Mekong River. Can explore some function rooms in the yacht, such as this gym center. The gym has just enough space for personal training with many modern tools and equipment such as treadmills, bicycles, weights, exercise mats, towels, and even a scale. You also refresh your mind and stretch your body in the spa room. This luxury spa offers various treatments to help you heal yourself and make your body feel younger again. While some paths are passing by, the host is informing us about tomorrow's program, which is the second day for us at Bravo Lounge. The traditional Vietnamese a la carte dinner will be served in the Indochine on-board restaurant, embracing a subtle fusion of dishes for the most delicate palates. Our first day is mainly about getting acquainted with the cruise and relaxing on the Mekong River. Enjoy this quiet and chilling space before going through exciting experience tomorrow. Night night! Our first buffet breakfast is so colorful and tasty. We have a lot of fresh fruit and dried sweets as toppings for cereals and yogurt. Moreover, we can also mix them with bread and jam for those who need a nutritious breakfast with high protein and fat. You can order an English breakfast to enjoy. This morning we will leave the main port to Port of Sampan. It takes us through a channel line with mangroves to visit Can Tho Island, where there is a tradition of creating coconut products such as coconut candy, coconut oil, coconut kitchen utensils. Then we will enjoy fruits as well as see the lives of local people in Orchid Village. The craft of making coconut candy is over 100 years old. According to the Forbes, this profession was established around the 30s of the 20th century. For a long time, coconut candy has become a famous specialty of the land of coconut, bringing with it a rich aromatic flavor that unable to be found anywhere else in the country. Let's try some coconut candies and listen to our fellows about their feelings.
So today I'm interviewing Miss Ellen. What do you think about the coconut candy?
The coconut candy, it was different, very sweet, and was very good, yeah.
We continue to a pier where we poured small local boats for a trip through the narrow creek lined with a nipa palm. Then we go ashore and board a sailor with the extremely great name Lambro 550 to go to the local village where we saw them making good to build houses, also fighting cocks being raised and used for unique cultural features in Western Vietnam. After a long walk, we return to Sampan. When we board the boat, we will enjoy coconut water and specialty fruits such as pineapples, grapes, and apples before meeting the Mekong Princess again. Because we had traveled long distance through many routes, the cruise staff welcomed us and helped us clean our shoes thoughtfully and carefully. The ship sails through an area of the Mekong Delta very touched by tourism to Can Tho City, the capital riverside city of Mekong Delta, Vietnam. During our break, we decided to go down to Ramble Lounge to enjoy some interesting drinks here. You can enjoy a variety of drinks for free according to this list. Let's see. Indochin restaurant is designed with a marine vibe for dinner tonight. The set menu is served as usual. What's special is that we had the opportunity to talk and listen to guests from England sharing about their trip on the Mekong Princess, which is an 8-day itinerary. Now, they are only the initial stage of experience, but they are already extremely impressed. Let's hear what they say.
Stuff it was a great scene. That's on the internet. Just searching for it for cruises in this part of Asia. Itinerary came up and it suited what the length of cruise was good because they do different ones. 7 days with what we wanted. I think shorter, when we've travelled that far, you no sooner come on and it's time to get off. 7 days is good. It's good. Yeah. I'd recommend it to you. We would. Money well spent.
After filling our stomach with a delicious dinner, we moved on the sampan to continue visiting Ningyo Night Market, where puzzling trading activities took place from food, clothes, cosmetics to household appliances at very affordable prices. As you can see, the market is extremely bustling and crowded. Finally, we return to the main cruise to rest after a long, busy day with very interesting activities.
So this is the final day of Mekong River Cruise. We have to wake up very early to prepare for the breakfast, the continental breakfast this morning. So now it's 5:32 a.m. We are ready to the continental breakfast and head to the Gairang floating market.
Our final breakfast was a colorful buffet made up of fruit, cheese, bread, and jams. Everything is presented very delicately in the luxurious and romantic atmosphere of the restaurant. It is a legendary sampan that has followed us from our first journeys. We'll port the sampans for cruise to the fascinating Gairang floating market. The sampans will weave in and out the many ports that sail into the market each morning to sell products and other items the residents of Mekong Delta need in their daily lives. As they weave through the market, there will be many opportunities for amazing photographs while enjoying fresh fruit and the Vietnamese anti-aging drink, fresh coconut water. Then we will go to the local market to see them trade as well as admire the unique agricultural products here. Now we will get on a bus to go to the hotel manufacturer. At the factory, you will admire how they produce colorful hủ with a variety of flavors. Here, we will take a short and orientated city tour with visiting the Yi Huang Bakery, Chùa Ong, and enjoying the welcome unicorn dances. Now it's time to explore on our own around the charming city before having dinner on board the ship docks in Can Tho overnight.
They rose up in the desert, and eventually they started to be king of the kingdom. At the time, there's a 3 kingdom fighting, and they support that kingdom.
After completing the port formalities, it's time to bid farewell to the Mekong Princess and your ship's crew at Ningyo Wharf. You will disembark at 10:45 a.m.
Mekong Princess Cruise is ended here. It is very interesting trip with a lot of experience about Vietnamese culture and people. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!